Welcome to the Florida Exotic Bird Sanctuary. This is the beautiful arbor shade system and concrete walkway that was just installed recently by the Phoenix Solution. Thank you, Andrew and team. You did a great job. This is helping shade the birds and shade us as we're feeding. It goes all the way around. It's handicap accessible. Yesterday, they finished the Moluccan shade cloth, which I'm walking towards. Mid-afternoon. Everybody's kind of loud. Let's go under the shade cloth. It's probably about a 15-degree difference under here. It's quite lovely. Also, it helps us when we're feeding in the rain. We designed these so that the shade cloths are above the cage so the birds can't chew them down, and provides beautiful shade for everybody. They also have a misting system running through the center on top. And it goes all the way around to the new aviaries. These are the 40 new condo aviaries that were built for Eclectus and Amazons. And the beautiful macaw cage, one of the largest flight cages in the United States, at 80 feet long, 30 feet high, 25 feet wide. This macaw cage houses 72 macaws. And the shade cloth was also just finished on this with a beautiful misting system that can be turned on timers or turned on any time of the day to cool birds off. All right, more to come as we finish building this beautiful sanctuary. Thanks for joining us.